welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And today I'm going to be working on this painting I painted a while back, and I actually don't even think I posted it, but I want to kind of embellish it a little bit because, as you can see, the paint kind of cracked a little bit, and that's probably why I didn't post it, because I don't like posting things that are not good for my viewers. So as you can see, the paint cracked a little bit, and so I want to go ahead and do some touch-ups on it and make some designs that will make the painting good enough to be posted. So yeah, so thank you for being here, and again, welcome back. It is Saturday morning in Chicago, and the weather is not as bad as it has been the last few days. So yeah, it's cooler. So yeah, so enjoy this process. I am going to be using my stencils. It's these different shapes that I got, and just different colors, and but I would try to stay along the this color palette. So yeah, welcome, and it's great to have you here. Okay guys, this is what we have, and I just basically just wanted to salvage this painting because I did it, I liked it, but it wasn't as good as I wanted it to be because, like I said earlier, the painting kind of cracked a little bit and I wasn't very happy with that. So now I went ahead and just touched up with the white, made the little shapes and designs, and put some gold in the lines that were the most of the parts that were cracked. I kind of touched up, but I left a lot of the painting itself because I didn't want to cover it all. So this is what we ended up with finally, and I actually do like it. It's different. It's just, you know, it's different and I like it. So yeah, that's what we have today. Thank you for being here, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. And my next few videos will probably be you know, like this one, just going over my older paintings and embellishing them and with different shapes. I want to use my stencils just to bring some of the paintings back to life, because I mean, you know. But anyway, so we'll see how it goes. But this is what I think I'm gonna be doing for a little bit. I'm gonna be traveling out of the country for about 5 weeks next month, and yeah, I'll make sure that I have some videos for you guys to watch while I'm gone. Yeah, so enjoy this one, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.